Okay.
I'm rolling.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. This is really taped up now. Here we go. Oh, she's included a couple of extras here. She has. She sent me some extras. Sending me some extras. Stickers. Little poster. That's not. What we want is these. Yeah. Let's get that one. Where's that one? Got that one up there. Oh. There's the original. And there's it in a book. Find that one as well. Where's that one called? That's like H. There it is. I've seen a picture of this with Ray's autograph there and Victor's autograph there, so that was, yeah. And then we also got, there's the cover, and there is the original drawing. So that's that. So yeah, she sent me 10 copies, so I'll be doing something with those. So yeah, it's the new book.